Well, people, it's finally here. Just got this in a couple minutes ago. Amazon.com. Yes. Now I opted for the black one, and there's the tape. I'm guessing they probably shipped this thing with the battery dead, but we'll see shortly. Box is open. Alright, and we have the user manual disc and the quick start guide. Open up this pocket over here. We have the camera. It's a very cold camera because it's like 20 degrees outside. I'll just set that down there for now. And we have output cable, USB data and charging cable, battery, and wall charger. And I also got this 16 gigabyte class 10 memory card for it. So we'll just pop this open, throw it in there, I will end up doing a full review on this. But first I have to figure out, oh yeah, SD card goes inside here in the screen. You flip the little door down, you just load it in right there. Peel the little screen protector thing off. Get the new battery. And hopefully there's at least a little bit of a charge on here. I did buy this thing brand new, obviously. And battery goes in like this here. Loads in there like that. Power button. Oh, we have a light. Aha. Date, time. Right. I'll go through and do that later. Wow. Look at that. I'm gonna have to wait till it warms up because there's fogging on the lens. Nice. You see there's that, and you can zoom in a massive amount. I'll do a zoom test with it eventually, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll do a little bit of a record test with it and put it on here. So here you go.